Okay, here we go. Once again, Spider tranny, 79 Spider tranny. Bit of a teaser this is. I took the extension off the back of the tranny, just extension housing, of course. The shift tower came off quite easily. I have no problem that even that extension of the back housing came off quite easily. I inspected the gears so far. All the gears along here and the whole complex there are in excellent condition, and even the lash on the gears is in pretty good condition. The only thing that I've noticed, which will have to be replaced, is this spring, which wobbles about a 60,000th of an inch, and this one over here, it's a little bit worse. Okay, so now we're looking down into, again we see the auxiliary shaft, and I inspected all these, and they're in excellent condition. There are no cracked teeth, no chips, in really great condition. Shift forks are up here, okay, and they'll be coming out next. I've been doing a lot of reading, make sure that I understand what I'm doing. I know I pointed out before that I've rebuilt gearboxes out of machinery, so I do feel comfortable doing this. And the next thing, of course, will be the bell housing, and then I'll take all this apart, lay it out on the table for you, and then I'll just start measuring. And what I've noticed is that since the gears seem to be in they are in good condition, the ones that I've checked, I'll probably be replacing all the bearings and of course the synchro sleeves, springs, and of course gaskets and seals and that. Otherwise, I'm very pleased with this, and I hope this helps somebody down the road who wants to a bit of a challenge and try this. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll get all these videos done. There's a hand camera. It's all I'm going to use. I'm not going to spend money for a camera. I'll shoot the best I can, but I will have the knowledge, and I will have the tools that you need. I have a list of those, and also I'll give you tips on the problems I encountered so far. The only one was that sleeve, which was up here. It's a pressed sleeve. I couldn't pull it. I tried heating it. Wouldn't work. I had to cut it with a die grinder. A little bit of a score in here, but that doesn't matter. Anyway. Okay, thank you very much, and stay tuned.